To delete Gmail or Google account permanently on your mobile phone, first, open the Gmail app and make sure you are using right Gmail account that you want to delete. Now, click on the icon at the top of the right corner and go to the Google account. Tap on the Data and Privacy section and scroll to your Data and Privacy option. Then, click on the More option. Tap on the Delete your Google account. In this case, it gave me this screen. But, in some cases, you will see this type of screen. In this situation, you click on the Continue and provide your fingerprint, pattern, etc. that you use to unlock your phone. After that processing, you will get the screen. Now, if you want to download the account data, you can click here. To delete the account, scroll down this page and check these two boxes. Then, click on the Delete Account button. Congratulations! You successfully deleted your Google account. If you want to create a new Gmail account without phone number, you can watch this video. Thanks for watching.